Hello everybody, I'm future weirdo Miata. So I already finished the fuel pump and everything, so everything's fine now. But in the beginning of the video, I really didn't, not many people know who I am, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do like an overview of the car before I go ahead and start doing all that fun jazz. As some of you may know, this is my 400 horsepower 416 wheel horsepower Mazda Miata. At 20 psi, it makes 416 horsepower and 356 torque, and it's fully built. I'll throw up a parts list right here and all that fun jazz. But here's the fuel pump video that I've promised, and yeah, thank you guys. Hi everyone. There's some of you that may know I am Weirdo Miata. And this is my 400 horsepower Miata, and we're going to be doing a fuel pump replacement with a D-Works 340 liter per hour fuel pump. So I already have the modified fuel pump and stuff, so I'm just going to go ahead, take it apart, and show you how it's done and all that fun jazz. So first of all, don't do anything with this first unless you have the gas. Go ahead and release the pressure, because you do not want that shooting at you, and you know, like, yeah, you just don't want any of that. So God, that smells like E85. All right, so what you got to do is you take out all these screws first. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and then I'll show you the next step. I'm sorry this is gonna be in the way, but yeah. Okay, so I would make sure when you take out these screws, you have one of these like little magnetic tray things, because they're just like, they're very handy, and last thing you want is the screws to fall down in here. And also you might need a pry tool to get the little cover off. So after that, you know, there's just this, and I'm gonna go ahead, all you got to do is take unscrew these and take these off, and then unclip this connector. So in the last 30 minutes, there's a lot that's been going on. So the last time I was in here, a rat got in here and decided to go ham on all my shit. So I needed to, I loomed this. I kind of did it. Me and my stepdad did it off camera. But I'm going to continue from there now. I had to pull out a bunch of rat poop and other stuff. You probably saw it in the other video, that other segment. I was just like, well, shit, and I just ended the video, and I pulled it all out, and I was like, well, that's fucking ass. So yeah, I'm gonna continue from here now. Sorry. All right, and after you remove these little screws right here and right here, it should just pull out like that. You just pull it out, and it should all come out together. And make sure not to lose these are important. I'm gonna go ahead and set this right here. The other one is on the other line right there. Usually there's a lot of fuel right here, but I already cleaned it up off camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift this out, and it just all comes out. So you just lift it up from here. All right, and just try not to breathe in all the fumes, because you know it's bad for your brain and stuff. And when doing this, and when you fully pull it out, I would always recommend just adding something, just cover it up just a little bit so no bugs decide to crawl inside there, and just cover it up. All right, and then we'll come on over here, and this is where the fun stuff is. So this is the original 255 Walboro fuel pump. Go ahead and look at it real quick, and that is the floater right here. That goes up and down depending on how much gas is in your gas tank and all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch this out, and it's super easy. All you gotta do is unplug this, take this off, and it just all pops out. Oh, sorry, take this off, and and that's it. Put that back in, put the nicer, bigger one in, and then you take it, and then you just throw it back in the whip. Man, she looks like shit right now, but yeah, cool. I had some difficulty with fitment, and I think I might need to cut this, but I'm just gonna send it. Just kind of, I mean, everything seems to be kind of fine. It kind of looks kind of jerry-rigged, but this goes into here, and that piece went in there really fine. On the later model NAs, they don't have like this funnel piece. It's kind of like just a hose from here to here, and some kits require you to cut this and then go from here to here, but I don't really think this is really going to be an issue for me. I think it's going to be fine. This I think is fine. I think I just when I lit earlier in the video, I saw like a rat's nest, and it was like they ate through some of the wire, and I had to rewire a little bit of it. That could have been the issue, and this fuel pump could have been fine. So I'm going to hold on to this just in case. This is like, you know what I mean? I don't know. I'm just going to hold on to it just in case, because it seems to be fine. And like the gears in there seem pretty good. I don't know. I'll figure it out, but I'm going to go ahead and put it all back in, and I'll do like kind of like a little thing of that too. All right. Thank you guys. And now that we have this set back in, we can go ahead and install the little screws, put the hose clamps back on and plug it back in, and then, yeah, and then take this off. For some reason, I took this off for some reason. I don't know why I did that, but don't even worry about that. I'm going to put that back on and plug it back in, and then we'll start it up and see how she sounds. Okay, everyone, here is the moment of truth. I did cycle it a few times to make sure there wasn't any fuel leaks. Remember, guys, please do not just reinstall everything before you test it out, because like you don't want to take it all apart. You know what I mean? So here she goes. I have checked if she primed, and she does prime, so that's good. Yummy, yummy. Okay. Okay. She might need a little bit of a retune, because this is a lot bigger of a pump. But, okay, cool. So, that'll be in one of the videos, but it's good. Cool. Awesome. Cool. I totally forgot to film an outro for this video, so I am gonna get this car retuned. If you guys want to see that, you know, drop a comment and tell me what you guys want to see. In the works this weekend, I'm filming with my friends a video of like just driving around, like a POV drive type thing. Have that going. Goddamn car. But I need to push the hood down. Totally forgot to put that down. But yeah, I'm just gonna do one of those. But if you guys want to see anything you guys want to see, go into depth on the car, just drop a comment down below, and I'll talk about it or whatever. I'm really new to this kind of stuff, so please bear with me. All right, well, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.